Hello everyone. Ramya, Assistant Professor of CSC Department, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Subject Code CS3352, Foundations of Data Science, Unit 1, Topic Data Science Benefits and Uses Facets of Data. Big data. Big data means it is a blanket term for any collection of data sets so large or complex that it becomes difficult to process them using traditional data management techniques such as, for example, relational database management system in the DBMS. Here we have some characteristics of big data. There are three characteristics: volume, variety, and velocity. Volume, how much data is there? Variety, how diverse are different types of data? Velocity, at what speed is new data generated? Data science. Here, data science involves using methods to analyze massive amounts of data and extract the knowledge it contains. Here, the data science and big data evolved from statistics and traditional data management but are now considered to be distinct disciplines. It is an evolutionary extension of statistics capable of dealing with massive amounts of data produced today. It also used for computer science to the repertoire of statistics. Next, we are going to see benefits and uses of data science. Here, the data science and big data are used almost everywhere in both commercial and non-commercial settings. First, we are going to see the commercial. Commercial companies in almost every industry use data science and big data to gain insights into their customers, processes, staff, completion, and products. Nowadays, many companies use data science to offer customers a better user experience as well as to cross-sell, upsell, and personalize their offerings. The next one is government organization are also aware of data's value. Many government organizations not only rely on internal data scientists to discover valuable information but also share their data with the public. The next one is non-government organization. The short form is NGO. Use it to raise money and defend their causes. Universities use data science in their research but also to enhance the study experience of their students. Here, the rise of massive open online course produces a lot of data which allows universities to study how this type of learning can complement traditional classes. Next, we are going to see the facets of data. In data science and big data, you will come across many different types of data and each of them tends to require different tools and techniques. The main categories of data are this: structured, unstructured, natural language, machine generated, graph based, audio, video, and images, streaming. Now, first we are going to see the structured data. Here in the structured data is data that depends on a data model and resides in a fixed field within a record. It also often easy to store structured data in tables within database or Excel files. Here we are using the structured query language, also referred way to manage and query data that resides in the database also. Next, we are going to see the unstructured data. It is a data that is not easy to fit into a data model because the content is context specific or varying. One example of unstructured data is your regular email. For the email, you cannot able to fix any structured data, so only it is called as a unstructured data. Next, we are going to see the natural language. It is a special type of unstructured data. It's challenging to process because it requires knowledge of specific data science techniques and linguistics. The natural language processing commonly has had success in entity recognition, topic recognition, summarization, text completion, and sentiment analysis. But models trained in one domain does not generalize well to other domain. The last one is each of the art techniques are not able to describe the meaning of every piece of text. Next, we are going to see the machine generated code. Here, the machine generated code is information that is automatically created by a computer, process, application, or other machine without human intervention. Here, the machine generated data is becoming a major data resource and will continue to do so. Here, the analysis of machine data relies on highly scalable tools due to its high volume and speed. Here, the example for the machine generated data they taken as a machine data or web server logs, call detail records, network event logs, and telemetry. Next, we are going to see the graph based or network data. It can be a confusing term because any data can be shown in a graph. Graph or network data is in short data that focuses on the relationship or adjacency of objects. The graph structures use nodes, edges, and properties to represent and store graphical data. It is a natural way to represent social networks, and its structure allows you to calculate specific metrics such as the influence of a person and the shortest path between two people. Then next we are going to see audio, image and video. Audio, image and video are data types that pose specific challenges to a data scientist. Here also it is the trivial for humans such as recognizing objects in pictures turn out the challenging for computers. MLBM, the expansion for MLBM is Major League Baseball Advanced Media announced in 2014 that they will increase video capture to approximately 7 TB per game for the purpose of live in-game analysis. Recently, a company called DeepMind succeeded at creating an algorithm that is capable of learning how to play video games. Using this algorithm takes the video screen as input and learns to interpret everything through a complex process of deep learning. The last one is streaming data. Here the data flows into the system when an event happens instead of being loaded into a data store in a batch. For example, for the streaming data is what's trending on Twitter, live sporting or music events and the stock market. Thank you.